It happens every single year. The most powerful night in the entire Islamic calendar arrives, and millions of Muslims around the world pray, seek forgiveness, and make dua. But there's one crucial, life-altering action that the majority of people forget on the night of power. It's the difference between walking away from this night with an empty heart or with your destiny rewritten for the better. And the worst part? By the time most people realize it, it's already too late. The night of power, the night of decree, is not just any night. It is a night so powerful that Allah dedicated an entire surah to it in the Quran. Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree. And what can make you know what is the night of decree? The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. Think about it. A single night that carries the rewards of over 83 years of worship. A lifetime of blessings in just a few hours. Yet, how many people truly maximize it? How many let it slip by, treating it like just another night of Ramadan? Here's where most people go wrong. They assume that the night of power is just about praying a few extra rak'ats, making a few supplications, and moving on. But the reality is far deeper. This is not just a night of prayer. It's a night where your entire fate for the next year is decided. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the immense weight of this night. He said, "There comes a night in Ramadan which is better than 1,000 months. Whoever is deprived of its goodness is indeed deprived." Deprived. That's the word the Prophet, peace be upon him, used. To miss out on this night is not just a small mistake. It is a colossal loss. Because on this night, something extraordinary happens. Angels descend in massive numbers, filling the earth. The angels and the spirit Jibril descend therein by permission of their Lord for every matter. But what are they bringing? They are carrying the decrees of every human being. Your wealth, your health, your job, your marriage, your opportunities, your life and death. It's all written tonight. And yet, the one thing most people forget to do is something so simple yet so profound that it could change their destiny forever. Many Muslims believe that the night of power is only about asking for forgiveness and making supplications for personal needs. But what if I told you that the most powerful thing you can do on this night is something almost no one prioritizes? It's not just about making dua, it's about making the right dua. The Prophet, peace be upon him, taught Aisha, peace be upon him, a powerful dua for the night of power. "O Allah, you are most forgiving, and you love to forgive, so forgive me." But here's what most people miss. This dua is not just about wiping away sins. It's about resetting your entire fate, as if something never happened. Imagine Allah not just forgiving your past mistakes, but erasing them from existence. Imagine a clean slate where all your past sins, your failures, your missed opportunities are completely gone, as if they never existed. And that's not all. There's another dua, one that almost no one makes on this night, yet it has the power to change your entire future. Think about it. Every year, people make the same duas, "O Allah, give me good health, wealth, and success." But how often do we ask for guidance? How often do we say, "O Allah, write me among those whom you love, whom you guide, whom you protect from misguidance"? Because what good is health without guidance? What good is wealth if it distances us from Allah? How many people are given success, yet it becomes a test that leads them away from their dreams? There's another mistake people make. They assume that the night of power is only about personal supplications. But what about dua for the nation? The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The supplication of a Muslim for his brother in his absence will certainly be answered." Every time he makes a supplication for good for his brother, the angel appointed for this particular task says, "So be it. May it be for you too." On this night, when angels are writing our fate, what if we prayed for the fate of the entire nation? For Palestine, for Syria, for Yemen, for every struggling soul in the world? What if, instead of just asking for personal success, we asked Allah to ease the suffering of millions? The night of power is not just a night of asking, it's a night of deciding. Deciding what kind of life you want, who you want to become, what kind of relationship do you want with Allah. So here's the real question. When this night ends, will you walk away the same person you were before it began? Or will you leave it as someone whose destiny has been rewritten? Because the truth is, the night of power is not just about seeking blessings, it's about seeking change. A transformation so deep that the person you are today would barely recognize the person you become tomorrow. And yet, despite its immense importance, most people let this night slip away in distractions, scrolling through their phones, engaging in conversations that could wait, sleeping early, thinking they'll try harder next year. But what if this is your last night of power? The Prophet, peace be upon him, once told a man, "When morning comes, do not speak of the evening, and when evening comes, do not speak of the morning, because none of us are guaranteed tomorrow. None of us are guaranteed another chance." Now that you know the truth, the question is, how will you use this night? Will you simply repeat the same supplications and the same actions as before? Or will you finally take advantage of the greatest opportunity of your life? Tonight, make a dua that shakes the heavens. Ask for more than just worldly success. Ask for a heart that beats only for Allah. Ask for guidance that never wavers. Ask for a future so bright that even the angels take note of it. Because when this night ends, the decrees are written, and the angels ascend back to the heavens. Will your name be among those whom Allah has chosen for success? Or will you be among those who simply let this night slip away? Again, the choice is yours. Don't forget the one thing that could change everything.